Hello, sweet blooms. We are back with a new video. Okay, be honest. Have you ever looked down at your nails and thought, why won't these things just grow? They're short, break easily, maybe even a little yellow, and no matter what you do, they just won't grow past a certain point. Well, let me tell you what changed everything for me. In just 3 days, my nails went from weak and boring to long, strong, and honestly, kinda perfect. Want to know how? Let's dive into the exact steps I followed. Because once you start this, there's no turning back. You're about to fall in love with your own nails. Step 1, I reshaped them. I picked a nail shape that actually fit my fingers. Almond is my fave, and used a high quality file to shape them in one direction only. No back and forth sawing. It keeps the nails from splitting and sets the base for strong, healthy growth. Then came the lemon trick. I took a fresh slice and rubbed it right onto my nails and cuticles. Sounds weird, but trust me. Lemon is packed with vitamin C. It boosts collagen, fades any yellow tint, and gives nails a clean, bright look. I left it on for 15 minutes and rinsed. So simple, yet so effective. Next up, salt soak. I filled a bowl with warm water and added a tablespoon of salt. I soaked my fingers for 15 minutes, gently moving them around. It felt like a mini spa moment. The salt disinfects, and the warmth boosts blood flow, helping nails grow faster. After soaking, I gently pushed back my cuticles with an orange stick. I never cut them, just pushed. It gives the nails a longer, cleaner look and helps them grow freely without blockage. Now here's a step most girls skip: exfoliating your nails. I mixed sea salt with olive oil to make a scrub. Massaged it onto my nails in circles, then rinsed. It removed dead skin and left my nails so soft and shiny. Then I grabbed an old soft toothbrush, mixed some lemon juice and toothpaste, and scrubbed my nails gently. This cleaned them up beautifully and made them look polished and fresh. Now, the part no one believes until they try it: garlic. Yep, garlic. I crushed a few cloves into a paste and applied it directly onto my nails for 15 minutes. It smells strong, but it's packed with allicin, which helps strengthen nails like nothing else. You'll seriously feel the difference. Before bed, I made my night mask. I mixed olive oil, lemon juice, and crushed garlic, applied it, and left it on overnight. I wore gloves, so my sheets didn't smell like a salad. Woke up with nails that felt stronger already. Finally, I locked in moisture. I massaged Vaseline into my nails and cuticles daily. It improved blood flow and kept my nails super hydrated. But wait, there are a few things you should stop doing ASAP if you want fast results. First, no biting. Seriously, it ruins everything. Try bitter tasting polish if you can't help it. Second, avoid harsh chemicals. Wear gloves when cleaning. Third, skip the acetone-heavy nail polish removers. They dry out nails like crazy. And last, stay hydrated. Dry nails break more often, so drink your water and moisturize. And that's it, besties. These are the exact steps I followed, and within just 3 days, I could already see real results. My nails felt stronger, looked better, and were finally growing again. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Nude Bloom for more beauty secrets and glow-up stories. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay glowing and keep blooming.